Hi, I'm Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to add transitions in Movavi video editor. I'm going to show you how to add different transitions, how to favorite a transition properties, and also how to delete transitions. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends. Now let's begin. Now for us to access transition, we'll always come to this aspect here, and over here you'll see transitions. You just click here. Now there are very different many transitions here. Here, as you can see, there's the fade, blur, circle, blocks. All of these, you can use them appropriately the way you want them to be. Now, before you even go to transitions, you make sure your clips have been cut. Maybe like this one here has been cut. Let me add more cuts here. Maybe add here. Maybe also I add another cut here, or maybe another cut here. Now, then what do you do? I'll come here. There are these transitions here. Like this one is blur. I'll just come and drag it and put it between the transition. And if I click play, you can see there's a little bit transition. What about if I want to add, maybe let's try artistic. Let's see what happens. Like this one here. I'll just come and drop it and drag it here, and you can see there. If I play from here, you can see the transitions there. Let's say let me try a circle. Maybe I put it somewhere here, like so. You just drag them and not effect. Now let me try again. Now how do you delete a transition? I can come right click. It will give you more properties in the transition here. I can decide to remove the transition. uh, that's how to remove a transition. And also, how do you if you right click here again, uh, you can delete all, you can decide to remove all transitions. You can just delete all transition will be gone. You see this one and this one are gone. Let me add one more time here. Maybe add this one here, and let's play from there. You can see the transition is there. Let me try maybe geometric, maybe this one here. Let me add it here. If I play, I don't know why it's not responding. Let me remove it, delete. Let me try another one. Let me remove, only remove this one here. Let me try now this one here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see now that one is working. The transition is working there. Now if you want more properties on the transition, just come right click, you come to okay, if you want more properties, you right click on the transition here, then you come to more transition. You can even decide how it will the rate of the transition. Maybe if I increase, you see it is becoming bigger. If I decrease, it's coming, you see that. You can even apply to all transition, maybe that you put of the same kind. You can even freeze frame, slow motion. You can even put a slow motion, as you can see there. Then I'll just say okay. Then if I play, you see it's a little bit slow. If I play like so, see it's becoming slow. Now if I want to go back, right click, transition properties, maybe restore defaults. It will restore. Then I say okay, it will go back the way it was. So if I play, you see it will just come like that. Guys, that's how to use transition Movavi video editor. Kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends. Have a nice day.